Hello everyone. Thought it was time for another parts and planning update on the Red Rocket. Since now we got the floor out, we got some other stuff, so got some things done, so let's get into it. The first thing is I've got the floor taken out and this firewall taken out. I've just got it resting in here. The back piece is still cut out. The seat here is just kind of sitting there. But the floor is out, the firewall's out, everything's clear. And now let's go to some parts. I have the two front frame rail pieces and the rear end right there. The rear end is officially ready for the parallel 4-link stuff, which is right there behind. The only other thing I'm really lacking to get this front frame rail made and actually attach it to the Cushman is the spring perches. I'm gonna just get some more of the same ones I got to attach the rear frame rail, since that worked out perfectly before. So I need to get 4 of those. Thankfully they don't really cost that much. It's just a matter of getting them. And I have actually found somebody that I can take this metal to have it cut down to my exact measurements to what I need, because the equipment I have is not really it's capable of doing it, but it's kind of at its limit. And I kind of want to have the pieces cut and ready to weld together. That way all we got to do is just piece it together and weld it. It'll make it so much easier. So I got to get all my measurements, got to get all my final measurements on stuff before we can really do that. But everything's looking good, and I'm hoping by late spring, early summer to have a rolling chassis and 4 wheels, steering, everything. I'm really hoping to by late spring, early summer to have a rolling chassis, which would be really awesome. Which means I'm really close to having it drive around on its own. So it's kind of a short video, but I wanted to go ahead and have another parts and planning update with making progress and getting other stuff. So that's my official timeline right now, is to have a rolling chassis and motor installed by late spring, early summer. So time will tell, and I'm hoping to have my parts by, like I said in my last video, by like late April, sometime in April. I'm hoping to have all my parts for at least the front end minus the steering system, because I still haven't designed that yet. But yeah, there it is. Hoping to have a rolling chassis by late spring. Making progress, getting parts. So there it is. There's a video, just a short one. Just wanted to have a little parts and planning update on it. And if you liked the video, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.